Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porgy Tech. So today I got another video for you guys, another interesting and exciting video. But before I get into it, head on down below, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell to get notified when I do another upload. Alright, so what I have for you guys today, as you can see, I have in my hand here an Apple Watch. This is a Series 5, the one with the GPS and cellular, and this is a 44mm. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than the 40mm. So but that's not what I'm really here about today. I'm just here to do a little review on the screen protector and the side bezel protector for the watch. Alright, so as you can see, I have a protector on here. Let me turn off the screen a little bit. Alright, so you can see that on the edge here that I have one on, and a screen protector. As you can see, it's not seated properly on the screen. It has a big bubble going around here, right here. As you can see, I'm running my fingers across here. So I'm not satisfied with this, and the one that I have installed in here currently is this invisible shield glass fusion 360. I got this at Best Buy, but I'm gonna have to return this because I'm not satisfied with it. And you can see it comes with the screen protector and the side bezel protector as well in this pack, so you get a combo. It's a good price, but it's not living up to my expectation. And you can see this could fit on the Apple Watch Series 5 or 4, the 44mm. This is a black finish, as you can see. So what I did, I went in Amazon and I ordered a different one. So haven't seen it or tried it before, so we're gonna open this pack and we're gonna see together. All right, so let's open and see what we have inside here. All right, let's rip this package. All right, so put that aside, and here we have, it's called a protective watch film, and it has a tempered glass protector on there. The other one, this one that's currently on the watch, it's plastic. It's kind of flimsy as well. Alright, let's open this. Let's see the arrow. And this, it's a 2-pack, so you get 2 screen protectors and 2 of the side bezel protectors as well for the watch, for the frame. So let's open this and see what we have inside. Alright, they got this taped properly here. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so let's see, we have some cleaners in here. Guess this is the cleaning wipes to clean the watch screen before you apply the screen protectors. And we have in here, we got 2 of the protectors here. You can see they're identical, same thing. And this pack, I think, is like $10 and you get 2. And you can see it has a glass protector here already in the frame, and this is the bottom side that we're going to install on the watch right here on the screen. Alright, so without further ado, I'm gonna take off the old one here that I'm gonna return to Best Buy. So we'll just pop this off. As you can see, this protector for the frame is separate from the protector, and this protector here is plastic. So I'm gonna take it off right here. As you can see, I could hold it and bend it really easy. Yeah, pretty bad. Alright, so I'm gonna set these over here so I don't get them mixed up. Then the watch face, I know it's already clean because I cleaned this before I applied the last one. And this one, I'm just gonna apply this. I don't want to pretty much wipe it again since it's already clean. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one on the watch. Alright, so before I put this on, let me make sure I see if there's any instructions here that's telling me if there's a specific way I gotta put this protector on, because I really don't want to mess this up. Alright, so one, it says wipes and superfine fiber cloth to wipe the camera screen. That's already wiped. Tear protective layer of the protective film, and the film is aligned with the screen alignment, so that's already done. Slowly let the film automatically absorb on the screen, gently pressing to complete. So I guess it's pretty straightforward, just like applying glass screen protector on the phone. Alright, so pretty much we got the round button here on the side, and we have everything. We're just gonna take this off and align it on the watch. Alright, so there goes the arrow. So this is the back. This film pretty much is really stuck on there, people. As you can see, the sticker came off and the film is still on there with the adhesive. So I'm gonna have to try and pick this up a little bit, see if I could get it off without getting a fingerprint on there. Alright, so bear with me here a little bit. Let me see if I could get this off. Alright, so here we go. This is really on there. Alright, there we go. Got it off. Alright, so we're not gonna put our hands on the bottom part there. Put this, put that. Looks really nice, slapped on properly. And then I'm gonna pick this side off. Look how nice and clean that is. No bubbles. See? Looks really clean. No bubbles on here. Look how that is. No bubbles. If I turn it on, looks really clean and nice. Bubble free, and this glass pretty much, you can see, can hear it. Yeah, it's a glass. The other one was plastic, so this is kind of flimsy, as you can see, but I'm gonna return it. Alright, so if you want to check Amazon, if you have a watch and you're trying to get a screen protector and one of those bumpers for your watch, this is the name of it. It's called watch film, protective watch film, for the watch, and it's made by MHML. I'm not sure which company is that, but it's the most recommended one from Amazon. That's the one I got. Alright, so that's the installation and unboxing of the protector for the Apple Watch. This is the Series 5, as I mentioned before, the 44mm. Alright, so here's the second one, just in case this one gets damaged later on. I could always pop this one on. Alright, so it's a pretty good deal. You get two in the pack, because I've seen other stores selling this for like 40 bucks, the same thing, and they're not even as durable or as easy to apply as this one. So it's a good deal. Definitely recommend it. As you can see how easily I put it on the watch here, went on easily. No bubbles under this. Looks really clean and nice. Alright, so thank you for watching. Remember to head on down below and subscribe for more videos. And I haven't posted in a while, if you follow my channel, but I'm trying to work on that, guys. Trying to get more videos out there. Alright, so thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace.